Albayano Bataeño, ang Battle Rafan at Metalheads reacting to P-Pop G22. So yon, first time kong mapapakinggan, first time kong mapapanood tong kanilang performance. At syempre, base yan sa suggestion, nabigyan ko daw ng reaction sa comment ko. So, yeah, kung mayroon kayong gustong song, music, video song na gusto nyong bigyan ko ng video reaction, so comment lang kayo sa baba, no? So syempre, bago ang lahat, kung bago ka dito sa aking channel at nagustuhan mo naman yung mga video na ina-upload ko, make sure to subscribe and click mo yung bell para updated ka sa ina-upload natin dito sa ating channel. At syempre, bago ang lahat, check natin to, live performance ng G22. Title of the song is Boomerang, sa Show It All, Mango TV, no? So sa China, no? So yeah, check natin to. At syempre, kung ayaw mo ng maraming post, no? So kung ayaw mo ng maraming post at video reaction, ilalagay ko rin yung link ng original video sa baba. So syempre, wag nating patagalin pa, no? So check na natin to.
有请 J22 带来 Boomerang 回旋镖。
Boomerang. Let's go. So parang yung setting ng yung setup parang nasa bar. It's like nasa bar sila. Okay, let's go. Girls, show me what you got, girls.
Ready, aim, shoot. We are G22. I am Jazz. I'm Althea. And I'm AJ.
AJ.
Let's go. You ain't ready for this. Don't you complain like I got you caged when you got one foot out the door. I'm not entertained by all of your games. You're just a pawn on my board. You acting tough when you hound, you go knock.
Basically, pawns, like parang nasa chess, yung chess game, no? Game, pawn.
Don't you complain like I got you caged when you got one foot out the door. I'm not entertained by all of your games. You're just a pawn on my board.
Yeah, you're just a pawn on my board, game board, either chessboard or something na may pawn something.
You acting tough when you hound, you go knock knock on my door and you hear, you know. You wanna leave, can't buy. You get the key, you'll be back no time. Makakahanap pa ng iba, hindi mo ko mapapahama ka.
Yeah, basically parang it's like sa relationship na parang alam mo yun, sa relationship na ibabato mo yung parang itatapon mo yung relationship nyo ng ganun lang, di ba? So yeah, basically ganon. And syempre parang babalik ka lang pagkatapos ng iba to babalik, which is yun naman yung concept ng boomerang.
Nakaloko pa ng iba, chilling back to speed up. I know you're gonna call my number. Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang. But I'm not like you don't want it. Say we're done, but I know that you'll be back again.
Yeah, yun yung pinaka concept din naman talaga ng boomerang ngayon. Pag binato mo babalik, which is sa relationship, masasabi mo din may mga ganun din talagang tao na as if parang tinitreat nila yung relationship na isang laro lang. Like a boomerang na parang ibabato, tapos pag gusto mong bumalik, babalik. Parang ganun din eh. Hindi ko alam din kung bakit may mga ganun tao mag-isip na it's like parang yun, pinaglalaroan yung feelings ng ibang tao, no? So, that's bad, man.
Even when I try to call it, you'll be back 'cause you love me like a boomerang. Boom! Look back outside, you're my boomerang. Left, right back, you a boomerang.
Naalala ko yung mga ganitong style ng kanta, yung ganitong mga something yata TLC, mga ganun style, no? Mga girl group na way back early 2000s. May mga ganito eh. TLC, Destiny's Child. Man, napaghalatan yung edad ko. Matanda ka na, tay. Tito.
Don't you hate this is how it's played. This one a trophy's up for. Sakanin bato. This is not a competition.
4, plus 4, yung number 4. I like the, ano yun,
Don't you hate this is how it's played.
Right.
This one a trophy's up for. Sakanin bato. This is not a competition but a revolution. Are you clear with your vision? You need a doctor's prescription. You act
may, kailangan mo na ng doctor's prescription kasi may sira na yung utak mo.
competition but a revolution. Are you clear with your vision? You need a doctor's prescription. You act
Pero syempre, vision, possible yun sa mata. Dahil nga, ganun yan, tinitingnan yung relasyon, description, doctor
when you
vision.
high
Diba?
on it, don't knock on my door when your head on low. You wanna leave, keep by. You keep the key, you'll be back no time. Makakahanap ka ng iba. Di mo ko papahalaga. Makakaloko pa ng iba. Should've practiced me, but ako know you gonna come along. Keep on coming back again, he love me like a boomerang. Wanna live with you, stay with that, but I know that you'll be back again.
Tsaka yung gusto ko din yung ano nila dito, yung costume. Man. I think, parang leather kasi yung costume nila, no? Kasi, hindi masyadong gumagalaw. So yeah, I think leather yung parang ang hirap yan, no? Yung ganyang suot mo. Well, I know naman na may ano yan, may mga inner garments naman yan sa ano. Pero, parang ang hirap kasi gumalaw sa ganyan, eh. Kung ako lang, kasi hindi man lang siya mag-wave, talagang ano lang eh, steady lang yung may mga fold eh. Di ba? Yung boses ni yung husky niya, yung
You keep the key, you'll be back no time. Makakahanap ka ng iba. Di mo
yung boses na tama ka na, parang yung sa ano, yung sa Zell, yung vocalist ng Zell, halos ganun yung tono eh, yung tono nung ano eh, nung boses, halos same.
keep on coming back again, he love me like a boom.
Now, ngayon, mas lalo ko na silang nadidistinct yung boses. Mas lalo ko nang napapamiliarize yung boses nila. Kaya kahit hindi ko na panoorin, alam ko na kung sino yung kumakanta sa kanila
Boomerang.
sa part nila.
Stay with that, but I know that you'll be back again. Even when I try to throw away, you'll be back 'cause you love me like a boomerang. Back inside, you're my boomerang. Back, you're my boomerang. Keep on coming back again, you love me like a boomerang. Bounce back.
Isa sa nagiging signature ng G22 yung paghaham nila, no, yung hum effect na sa pagkanta. Isa yun sa napapansin ko madalas na ganun. Ewan ko, pero yun lang na madalas kong mapansin sa mga song.
Bounce back, back, baby, bounce back.
Yeah. Yo. Yeah, I think parang medyo alanganin sila sa suot nila dito. Hindi sila masyadong makagalaw freely, I think. Hindi masyadong maibigay ng ganun yung galaw nila. Kasi medyo mahirap ngayon kasi medyo hapit yung yung portion dahil sa parang medyo matigas ganun. Leather, I think leather talaga. Natulala na. Natulala na. Men. Kahit ako din eh.
Throw it back 'cause you love me like a boomerang. Boom! Like a boomerang. Jump back outside, jump a boomerang. Left, right, back with my boomerang.
Kapilala na sila ate eh.
Like a boomerang.
Let's go! Yeah. What a performance. So yeah, ano pa nga ba, man? As a battle rap fan metalheads, approve na approve sa akin yan, man.